What's up, friends? RightNet here, and today we're going to be looking at set 6953, the Cosmic Laser Launcher from 1987. I forget which one this is. The Futuron, I believe that's what those are. Yeah, Futuron. So, I got this set from a guy off Bricklink. It was complete, I think. When I got it, it may have been missing one or two pieces, but I think I had them all in my collection. You can see it does have the instructions. So yeah, I love these old space sets. All the parts are a little yellow, but that just shows some class. So let's put it together. Alright friends, we got it all together here. Let's take a look at some of the features. First, it comes with two of these little minifigure guys. They're the same ones. That one's got a wrench and a radio. Comes with this little car deal with a trailer for the satellite. Oh, I guess it does have a third minifigure. It comes in this little rocket launcher deal. He sits in there and gets flung up into outer space. But the wings open, so when it flies around, zoom. Looks like solar panels. Alright. And this will sit in this neat little trailer here. This guy can haul it to and from the launch site. Then you put it in here. That's it. And these computer terminals rotate. So that's neat. Turn this around so you can get a good view of all sides here. Sorry. Alright. And then you turn this little knob back here and things open, shut. And it kind of stops there for missile launch. So that's neat. Alright, then you turn it the other way and it lowers it back to the ground. So, hope you enjoyed this little look at 6953. Post your questions, comments, complaints, concerns down below. Just remember to keep it real, and we'll see you next time. Let me know if you enjoy these older space sets, because I got a lot of them. Just wanted to see if people watch them. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the build.